Hi everyone, I am Asharili Fahad, team admin of the project, and our team member are Rayan, who is the developer, and other two team member are Rafe, Sita Mahalakshmi. They both worked on collection of data and project description. Our project title is SendCraft. It is a static website. It comes under e-commerce domain. Now we have to open our Azure portal and log in with credential. Now click on create resource. After that, search for storage account in the search bar. Next, click on storage account. Here we see our project detail and instance detail. In project detail, we can see subscription. Here we are using free trial subscription. Under this, we can see a resource group. Now click on create new and we can name the resource group as Sent07. Now, as for the instance detail, we are giving the storage name as my SendCraft. Now, the region should be East US and performance should be a standard. The redundant should be geo redundancy storage. And now then click on next. Now coming to advanced, we can see security settings. Click enable required secure transfer for REST API. And now as the both checkbox has been checked, now go scroll down, go to blob storage and check the box allow cross tenant replication. Now click on review plus create button. Validation is in progress. Now click on create. As you can see, initializing deployment. It takes few seconds to process. As you can see, deployment is in progress. As you can see, our deployment is completed. Now go to resource. Then in the search bar, search for static website. It will be under data management. Click on static website and enable the static website. Now you can see index document name and error document name. In index document name, type index.html and in an error part, type 404. Now click on save. It is successfully updated. After successfully updating, then we can see the option primary endpoint and secondary endpoint. Now go back to home and search for container in the search bar.
You should not go like that.
Now again, go to home and search for container in the search bar. It will be under data storage. Click on container, click on web and click on upload. Now click on browse for files. Select all the files and upload it. It is checking whether they are any other file. As you can see, it's uploaded. Now click on upload. As you can see, our files are being uploaded in the container. Now it is successfully uploaded. Now again go to search bar and search for static website. Static website. Copy the primary endpoint and open a new tab and paste it over here. As you can see, our website is working. Now go back to Azure portal and search for data management. Under the data management, click on data protection. Click on data protection. In data protection, enable Azure backup for blob. As you can see, there is two services, backup vault and backup policy. Let's us first create backup vault. Click on create new. I name our vault as my self vault. Now click on create. It may take some few seconds. Wait until it shows deployment is successful. As you can see, it already initializing the deployment. It is submitting our deployment. The deployment is in progress. As you can see, our deployment is succeeded. Now click on manage identity. And in manage identity, under the permission tab, click on Azure role assignment. Then click on add role assignment. In the scope, select at resource group, and the owner role should be at role should be as owner, and the subscription should be as usual free trial. Now click on save. It is submitting our role assignment. As you can see, the role assignment is added. Now go back to data protection. Click on backup policy and create a new policy. The name for the policy we are giving as my sent policy. After then, click on review plus create button. Again, click on create button. It is creating my policy. As you can see, our policy has been created and it is successfully updated. Until now, we have created two services. They are storage account and backup services. Now we are going to utilize Q&A services. Now go back to home and in the search bar, search for Q&A services. Click on Q&A makers. On the left side, click on language services. Click on create and enable custom question answering. Now click on continue to create your resources and fill the required information. As you can see, our project detail in that subscription should be as free trial, and the project resource group is already existed, send 17. And the instance detail, we can see the region should be East US and we have selected, and the name should be as Fahad 017 and the pricing tier should be free. Now click on review plus create. In the create language, the subscription should be as free trial and the resource group is already existed. In the instance detail, region should be East US and name should be sent 017. I will keep it as like that. And the pricing tag should be free. And you should check the box. It said that I acknowledge the terms and conditions. And then click on review plus create. As you can see, it is running the final validation. Now click on create. It is initializing the deployment. Wait until it shows deployment successful. It is submitting the deployment. Deployment is in progress. You can see it. As you can see, our deployment is completed. Now go to resource group. Click on languages. Scroll down and click on language studio. Get started with language studio. It will redirect us to a new website. Sign in here. Now keep the Azure directory as default directory and the Azure subscription as free trial, and the language resource type should be language, and check whether. Now click on the existing resource name and click on done. Now you have been welcomed to the language studio. Now click on create new and click on custom question answering. In that, select the language for all project as English. Click on next. Name your project name, as I kept my name as Scentcraft, and the description, like my website is related to perfume, so I would be writing a description related to it, like creating now click on next. Click on create project. As you can see, the pop-up came as loading project completed. Now click on add source. Click on files and add file in it. Name the file as I will name the file as sent, and I will choose the file and click on add all. As you can see, it is adding our sources. And as you can see, our file has been added. Now click on deploy knowledge base. Click on deploy. Again, click on deploy. As you can see, it is deployment is in progress. As you can see, the deploy is successfully. Now click on create bot. It will again redirect us to another website. Now in the custom deployment, as the subscription is free trial and the resource group, it will automatically show us the set17 and the group location as East US and our bot name as send017 bot. Now click on next. In the app services, go down, get your language resource key. To get our language resource key, go to deploy knowledge base and click on settings. Click on resource and you will get resource key. Now copy the resource key. Go back to custom deployment and paste the resource key. Then click on review plus create. Now again click on create new app services. and click on Create Preview plus Create. As you can see, it is running the final validation. Again, click on Create. It is initializing the deployment. It is submitting the deployment. The deployment is in progress. Wait until it shows the deployment is completed. As you can see, our deployment is completed. Now click on Go to Resource Group. In the resource group, click on Chat Fahad bot file. In chat bot file, click on Channels. Scroll down and click on Microsoft Team. Agree to terms and condition and click on Apply button. It is saving the Microsoft Team channel. Wait until it is successful. As you can see, Microsoft Team channel is enabled. Now close the Microsoft Team. In the channel, there is a web. Click on Web Chat. In the web chat, click on Default Size. As you can see, there are secret key and embedded code. Now copy the embedded code. Go back to home. And click on storage account. Click on container. In the container, click on web. Search for chatbot.html. Click on view plus edit. Now paste the embedded code in between the section. After pasting, now we have to get our secret key. Now for the secret key, go to bot file, copy the secret key from here, come back to chatbot.html and paste your secret key over here. Now click on save. It is saving it. Now it's saved. Now let's see how our chatbot is working. So this is the overview of our website. As you can see, this is the login button. If you scroll down, you will see 4 categories of perfume. This is Oud, Shania, Sheran and Lime Fresh. If you want to buy this perfume, you can directly buy from here. Click on buy now. It will redirect to the payment page. Now go back. If you want to add buy later, if you want to add it to cart, you can click on add cart. As it said, it is added successfully. Now let me explain the categories site. Click on categories and you can see there are 3 types of categories in this site. One is men bestseller, another is women, and a last one is combo bestseller. If you want to know more about these perfumes or if you want to explore more, click on view more so that it will show how many types of perfumes are there. As you can see, Oud, Shania, Sheran, and it goes as same for the women's and both combos also. Now let me go back to home once again and let me explain about us. This is the about it. This is about our website. Now meet our teammates. This is the teammates who have helped me in development of this website. As you scroll down, you can locate us also. Now let me explain about the. Now let's see how the chatbot is doing. If you scroll down, this is our chatbot. Now first let's put a question like hi. Let's see is it responding or not. As you can see, I have typed hi button. As you can this has responded to me like hi, welcome to Sendcraft. Hi, welcome to Sendcraft. How can I assist you? Now let's ask 2 questions only. One is like, are you searching for a new signature. Send. Enter. Let's see how can it respond. As you can see, it has already responded me like floral, woody, or oriental fragrance. We have wide range of signature scents available for you to explore. Now, let's ask one last question. As you can see, I have asked him, do you have any favorite perfume brand? I can enter. Let's see how it will respond. As you can see, no. We carry a selection of renowned perfume brand known for their quality and craftsmanship. So this is how our chatbot is working. Now let's go back to home. And by that, it comes to our end. This is Ashar Ali Fahad signing off. Thank you.